Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Duffy, for those of you who don't know, and in today's video, if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail or title, we are making Gfuel inspired milkshakes. I know, kind of crazy to talk about or to say that. So here we have the massive selection. I think I have 14 tubs now. Today I want to try to make the Gfuel lingonberry milkshake. This one's going to be interesting, and I'll try one of the candy flavors as well. Obviously rainbow sherbet's kind of already in ice cream, so I kind of don't want to do that one. But I do have cotton candy. I don't know if I'll like that, so I think I'm actually going to try with the snow cone. That should be pretty interesting. And if you guys want to see more of these videos, like cooking videos, then I will happily do more. But let's say this video gets like, I don't know, 15 likes, then I will make more of these. But y'all gotta want it. Let's get downstairs into the Gfuel milkshake making factory. Alright guys, so we have today's two flavors that I'm going to be trying to make. We have lingonberry and snow cone. Let me go grab the rest of the ingredients. Some good old vanilla ice cream and just some store brand whole milk, because you know it's a milkshake. Now this bad boy, there's no really controlling it. It just goes. Yeah, hopefully this goes well. It might explode everywhere. That's what she said. But I don't think it will. Let me grab two different bowls, one for the lingon and one for the snow cone though. Boom, two basic Tupperware containers. You know, these should do the job just fine. Let's grab the ice cream scooper right here, and we are gonna put, I think we're gonna put 2.5 scoops of vanilla ice cream in each. As you can see, it's literally just vanilla ice cream. Gonna heat up the spoon by putting it in the microwave. No, actually run it under hot water. It makes it super easy to get the ice cream out, in case any of you for some reason didn't know that. Boys, check it out. I'm literally a water bender. Alright, this should be hot enough now. Decent scoop. This ice cream is a pain. 1 scoop. That's like a half scoop. I gotta keep heating this up, dude. And oh, that's kind of a big scoop. So this is the first lingonberry. Second bowl ready. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Okay, so now that I have most of the ingredients ready, you guys are probably wondering how I'm gonna get the Gfuel in there. So if I just actually put milk in and blended all this together, the Gfuel powder would not mix properly. So what I'm gonna have to do is take a little bit of milk and pour the Gfuel into that and stir it up really thoroughly to make sure all the powder dissolves in the milk, and then pour the milk in. Fun fact, if you didn't know this, but there's actually a few Gfuel flavors that are meant pretty much to be going with milk. For example, the French vanilla coffee flavor, strawberry shortcake. I've heard the strawberry banana flavors really go with it too, especially when that's made into a smoothie. So helpful tip. Don't even need a lot really. Less than half a glass. These are pretty even for eyeing it. That's pretty good. Grab a spoon and mix this stuff up. So I don't know if I want to use a full scoop of this. I might just send it and make it like a super strong ice cream. I'll use a little bit less than a full scoop, or a normal scoop. That's fine. That's fine. So this is what they look like now, and this is what it's gonna look like when it's mixed. Boom. Here we go. So this one, you can kind of tell it's blue. Honestly, really didn't even change the look of it too much. I know it's super bubbly. This one is pretty much looking like some strawberry milk. But now it is time to actually pour these in. So I could always add a little bit more ice cream. You know, I'm just really scared to blend these, but okay, obviously I don't have the most standard of blenders, so you know, if this was a normal blender, like a Ninja blender, whatever they're called, you would just pour this all in and start it. But I have to mash up the ice cream a little bit in case you're doing it the same way I am and you have one of those blenders. And that way, you know, it doesn't fling milk everywhere. So I gotta mash these up, then we can start blending it. So here's what they look like mashed up. I think I am actually gonna add another scoop, so it'll be 3.5 scoops of ice cream for these, just because I like my milkshakes thicker. But you know, you can see the substance. It's not too bad, but I'll probably just add another scoop into these and then finish it off. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. Oh god. Damn, bro. I mean, none of it got on my camera. Oh, there's a little speck right there. Oh, that wasn't too bad. It's time to do the other one now. Alright guys, wash this off, and the sun decided to disappear, so I had to turn some lights on. Alright, let's do this. Alright, compared to the other one, this one got everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean some stuff up before we taste these. Oh god. So I had the bright idea to actually make the water versions and compare them. I have two friends coming over. One of them you already know. Actually, if you guys are long-time subs, you should know both of them. But one of them was in my other Gfuel video, Colin and Brian. So yeah, I'm gonna make those for them, and we're gonna taste test the two of them, see which one's better, see which flavor we like more with this, and you know, just really give it a review. Alright guys, well they're looking pretty good so far, if I do say so myself. The last thing I'm gonna do is throw them in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and then they should be a really good consistency and really milkshakey. I do recommend, if you have ice, use that if you'd like. You know, I have creative freedom with it, do what you guys want to do, but I'm going to throw these in the freezer and I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Personally, I do have other shakers, but I feel like this would just be easier to clean. So, these three are all going to be snow cone, and those three are all going to be lingonberry. And boom, done with the lingonberry. Alright, so now it's just time to mix these up, and then it's time to taste test them.
What's up, baby boys and baby girls?
Welcome back to On The Fly Podcast.
Hey, sisters!
Alright guys, so Colin and Brian are finally here. We're going to be tasting these. So we have the lingonberry and snow cone. This is the water variants. Just want to get them to taste it before we actually have the milkshakes. Oh, y'all can take sips. Brian said he's going to down them, so...
Only the small ones, though.
Dude, you got like a big
I was like... When you like...
Throws it back.
Oh yeah.
Oh, lingonberry is pretty smack, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, lingonberry is actually one of my favorite flavors. I'm not a big fan of the snow cone.
And
I don't know,
this
it's
is-
okay. By the way, Brian's never had Gfuel. Have you?
I've had, actually I had tropical rain.
You had it months
He had it
before me.
before you, that's
Yeah.
funny.
I had it during the summer. Alright, and then this is the snow cone.
So now that you both know what the water Gfuel tastes like, we're gonna try the milkshakes. It's time, baby. Alright, so we have the milkshakes ready. I'm gonna try the lingonberry first.
What if I
Thanks for all
chug
the
this?
lingonberry.
What if I chug
Holy. This is actually smacking. Hey, wait, it's Queen Elizabeth's birthday today, guys. Pinkies up.
Always pinkies out, everything.
That's actually so good.
Dude.
It's actually worth wasting all my ice cream.
I taste a lot of the ice cream first, and then some of the Gfuel right after.
It's like a perfect amount.
Yeah.
It's
not
It's
overbearing.
not too much. Yeah, I'm ready for snow cone, boys. I'm a little concerned about snow cone because it's either gonna smack or taste terrible. Because snow cones are just ice.
It's so good. It's so good, dude.
That's actually not bad.
Really?
It's so good.
The snow cone itself, it's like, the flavor is too light for the Gfuel to like overbear.
I know, but with the vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, it tastes different, but it's like not overbearing.
Ooh, I can definitely taste in the back of my throat.
like,
That's what she said!
yeah, but it's
These
not
are
bad.
these are actually amazing. That's what I was thinking about. You guys want to double them up? Send it, boys.
Almost will. Yeah, that's not easy for me.
You're supposed to do...
Yeah, not at the same time.
They're so good. It's actually like...
They're actually smacking.
I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna put them all in one...
Dude, I definitely like the lingonberry. That definitely is where it's at.
I like them both. They're both so smack.
Alright guys, so what do you think was better, the milkshake smoothies or the water variants of Gfuel?
Ice cream for sure. Dude, it goes so hard.
So you think there should just be more powder in it, like in the recipe?
I don't know. Maybe a little bit more, but you don't want it to be
The snow
overbearing.
cone had like a slightly less amount than the
Mix
lingonberry.
both.
Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up today's video. I'm going to leave the recipe down in the description in case you guys want to try it. It also was in the beginning of this video. It's super good. They all liked it. I liked it. It's pretty amazing. Make sure to mix it up and, you know, follow me on Twitter right here. Send me videos of you guys doing it, recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload my merch. It's the first link in the description. And I'll see you all next time. Peace out, guys.